How to enable T-Mobile international data roaming. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can turn on or enable your international roaming service from T-Mobile. So first things first, you're going to make sure that your mobile device or your mobile phone is compatible or has this kind of feature so that your subscription or the service that you will be paying will not go to waste. So after paid or after the purchase of this international roaming service, you can go ahead and tweak the settings on your mobile device. Go to settings, scroll all the way to the bottom part of these options, and then go to about phone. From about phone, go into status information, and then choose on SIM card status. So at the very last option of these features, you should be able to see roaming. Now, if your mobile device is not compatible with this kind of feature, roaming will not be visible. And then if you haven't paid for the service for international roaming, it will be indicated here as not available. Now, once you've completed the purchase, it will be available. Just need to turn it on, and you should be able to use the service. And that's how you enable T-Mobile international data roaming.